If you went to look at a NASA social media account within the last hour, you may have seen one of these messages posted because there are some big changes about to come for NASA communications. And coming from the perspective of someone who worked at NASA and as a science communicator, these are not great. NASA is consolidating their social media accounts. And what does this mean? This means that many of their accounts are being archived. Accounts including things like NASA's Perseverance rover, NASA Exoplanets, NASA Voyager will no longer be posting. They're directing people to go to other more general umbrella accounts to follow to be able to get updates from these missions. So why does this matter? I know you might be thinking, why does losing a few NASA X accounts make any impact? Well, first of all, I think it's going to be a lot more than just a few X accounts, but also NASA is a huge organization with a lot of messages and stories to share. Social media is one of its most powerful tools for advocacy, sharing its story, education, and explaining to the public the value of what it does. When you take away these smaller accounts, again smaller, these have millions of followers, there is less ability for individual missions to be able to share the impact of their mission. Yes, you can go follow these other accounts like NASA Solar System or NASA Mars to get updates, but it's not like those accounts are going to start posting 15 times more a day when all of these accounts get taken away. There's less room for creativity in science communication when you have to share programmatic updates, and so many more people are competing for space on these accounts. One of the reasons I care a lot about this is one of the accounts that is going away is the account that I helped build during my time at NASA, ISS Research, which communicates the value of the research we have done and are doing on the space station to everyone back here on Earth. So can we do anything about this? You can definitely make your voice heard on all of these different update posts. Of course, the people that are mainly going to be seeing it are the people that manage this, who also don't want the account to be going away. But, you know, upper leadership might also see it. And I have a lot more to share at a later point on how these proposed budget cuts could affect NASA comms as a whole, but that is for another video.